If Steam is showing error 53, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This is a great first troubleshooting method because it checks whether the game files are damaged, missing, or out of sync with Steam. In many cases, that's exactly what triggers launch problems like this. So if you want to get back into your game as quickly as possible, stay with me and follow along carefully. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer and go to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed. Now find the game that's giving you the Steam error 53. Once you see it, right-click on the game and open the Properties menu. This section gives you access to important settings for that specific game, including repair and verification tools. Inside Properties, look for the Installed Files tab. Click on it and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now begin checking your game files against the version it expects. This process looks for missing files, corrupted files, or anything that needs to be repaired. If something is wrong, Steam will automatically re-download the correct files for you. This step is very important because error 53 can happen when Steam cannot properly access or launch the game due to broken or incomplete files. So let the verification process finish completely. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes. While it runs, try not to interrupt it and make sure your internet connection stays stable. Once the verification is done, Steam may tell you that some files were repaired or reacquired. That's a good sign. After that, close Steam completely. And when I say completely, I mean fully exit it, not just minimize the window. To make sure Steam is really closed, open Task Manager on your computer. You can do this by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager, or by using the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. In Task Manager, look through the processes list and end every Steam process you see. Sometimes Steam can keep running in the background, and that can prevent the fix from taking effect properly. After all, Steam processes are closed, relaunch Steam again. Sign back in if needed, then try opening the game one more time. In many cases, this simple verification and restart process is enough to fix Steam error 53 and get the game working again. If the game still doesn't launch, don't panic. The good news is that you've already completed the most common first fix, and that rules out a lot of file-related issues. You can try the same steps again for a second check, especially if Steam was still running in the background the first time. Sometimes a clean restart is all it takes. So to quickly recap, open Steam, go to Library, right-click the game, open Properties, head to Installed Files, verify the integrity of the game files, then fully close Steam, end all Steam processes in Task Manager, and relaunch Steam. That gives the game a fresh start and can resolve the error fast. I hope this helped you fix Steam error 53. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more helpful fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.